I was driving east on Sibley Boulevard in Calumet City. I came to a stop and I was rear-ended by a pickup truck that was carrying a trailer. Once that truck hit me, all the airbags in my car imploded, and I hit the car in front of me, which hit the car in front of them, which hit the car in front of them, and in the end, it was a 5-car pileup. It ended up that I had a ruptured disc in my back. It was extremely painful, and my way of life was over. I really thought that I was no longer going to be able to do the day-to-day things that I used to do. I found out about Walner Law a couple of days after my accident. Walner Law made me feel like a human again. They didn't make me feel like a number. I felt extremely prepared for my case due to my lawyer actually communicating with me and letting me know exactly what was going on each step of the way. If anyone has ever been in my position, I would absolutely recommend Walner Law to them.
At our law firm, the people have had a personal injury, so it becomes personal to us. We understand what you're going through because we've represented 10,000 people that have been going through similar situations in their homes. It is our goal to show a client what we can do for them. We have pride in what we do, we have passion in what we do, and we care about you in a personal manner, just like your injuries are personal to you.